Hello, Professor Yunus. Hello, Sheikh Ahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Marjida. I am a Rohingya refugee girl. I live in a camp in Bangladesh. I was born here, but this is not my home. My home is in Arkan, which is in Myanmar. I never saw Arkan because I cannot go there. You know why? Because my mother told me when they lived in Arkan, they were attacked by very bad people. They had to run. They stopped running when they came in Bangladesh. My mother told me this story many times. It is a sad story. I don't understand all of it. Maybe you will.
Ara garo tara shilam. Asin moje moka ayere military ayere mari ara re dora di felaye. Kialla andila go jana ra hoyo na pari. Ara ide bisi jorot time majara jor dile ara ta falan jaga buta kita dinar ba wande to gunja hole tal falan bisha dikun ne ta biada satar ara edun host gori ne bisi host gori na ara Bangladesh na hota si awaza kichu hega jikichu hana kari Bangladesh na hota ira Bangladesh jara ne jahana bina dinara nyotta kirara ra Bangladesh karo tu ja kichu sai jogo jalla rahmat tar shukriya zindagi to farane hajin Area Bishimani Marahay are going to go to the Halva Mamu. Raya Marai. As a Mazayara sister in a very to do a dua by Shamaragi. Neither Shari Maragi. To the shop of the Takita Mike and some of the TV shine the Kiristago. Anara Shankara the Dua Dal Dua Solin Lay. A Thomas delay Gokura Param Kuranilla and I have Tiger. Pele masuk ara tu masuk din ara tu nuna gane jaha ho tiya nara ai hosto tiya ter hazar manche hosto ara pato bat 3 jona barat dire he ara desu jo to ara to hosto ban otu kani jo to al dobina sil ni jo to goru sala sil din jo to buda sil nijor income asini ro jaga din tu income gura hai gatam Arab desh nahi. Arab desh Allah Ramadan Arab desh boli na bana. One edeshottar na to hondi ke fenno pore on desh Allah. Tara hono to jay Allah raje ki ara to sosomboti ase. Ara to jaga jebina ase budaga da ase. Ara bida bari ase.
I told you it is a sad story in our camp. Everybody has a sad story. Each time my mother tells me her story, she says, one day we all will go home in Arkan. We will live again in our beautiful green village, below which the river runs. We will again hear the birds singing and watch butterflies flying. I've lived here. That is why I want to go home in Arkan. But mother says, it is not easy to go back. We need a lot of help. Professor Yunus and Sheikh Ahim, will you and your friends around the world help me and my family to go back home in Arkan?